Welcome back, my dear students. This is the fourth session for this short story, The Gardener, written by P. Lankesh. What I have explained in the first session and this second session were dealt with the line by line reading of this short story in the textbook. Now I am giving you the suggestive readings, more readings to compare some other stories or poem or novels with this story, The Gardener. Maybe I think Lankesh has taken his inspiration from this novella. Novella means short novel or big story. Noon Wine. This is a novella written by Catherine Ann Porter. Novella written by Catherine Ann Porter, that is there in your textbook in the page number 68, I think. In the page number 68, all these 3 or 4 things have been written in your textbook. I am just giving explanation to correlate this story. And in this Noon Wine, similar to The Gardener, there is a protagonist, or the major character of this story is Royal Earl Thompson. This story happens in 1890s. It's about crime and death. Here the story, the gardener is the owner of the dairy farm. He is Royal Earl Thompson. He is very lazy. He cannot consider the farm work for himself. He will leave it to his wife Ellie. Ellie with her 2 sons, she is working. She is always suffering with sickness. There, in this dairy farm, in this garden or in this orchard, a person called Olaf Helton comes. Olaf Helton comes. He joins as a servant in this farm, in this dairy farm, and he works very hard, and this dairy farm flourishes very well. And some other person comes to this farmland one day. His name is I forgot his name. His name is Helton, I think. Sorry, his name is something. Don't consider that name. That person, when he comes in and he observes this person, he reveals his background history. Then starts the background history about his crime, his eloping or his running away from that place and joining here. But Thompson is not ready to accept the fact about Olaf Helton. Some clashes happen, crime happens, and this is a different story. This will not give that philosophical insights like Lankesh's The Gardener. But there is a similarity. If you want to read some more books, you can read this novel, Noon Wine, novella, Noon Wine. And other thing is, ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದಲೋ ಬಂದವರು ಲೋಕೇಶ್ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥವರು ನಟರು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ಕಥೆಯನ್ನು ಬರೆದಿದ್ದು ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾದ ಕಥೆಗೂ ಲಂಕೇಶ್ ಅವರೇ ಬರೆದಿರೋ ಕಥೆಯನ್ನು. ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಸೇಮ್ ಏನು ಗಾರ್ಡ್ನರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಥೆ ನಡೀತಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ಥರ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ, ಅಥವಾ ನೂನ್ ವೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕಥೆ ನಡೀತಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ಥರದ ಕಥೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದಲೋ ಬಂದವ್ರನ್ನಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಸೇಮ್ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಲೈನ್, ಥೀಮ್ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಆರ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಸಿನಿಮಾನ. ಮತ್ತು ಭೂತಯ್ಯನ ಮಗ ವಿಷ್ಣುವರ್ಧನ್ ಅವ್ರು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು, ಇದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ನೋಡಿರ್ತೀರಿ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸಿಕ್ಕರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಸೇಮ್ ರಿವೆಂಜ್, ವೆಂಜ್ಫುಲ್ನೆಸ್, ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ in the rural area, all these things happen. That is the main theme in this story. And when we come to another story, Mauni, written by U.R. Ananthamurthy. U.R. Ananthamurthy ಅನ್ನುವಂತಹ ಜ್ಞಾನಪೀಠ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ ಪಡೆದಿರೋ ಲೇಖಕರು ಬರೆದಿರೋ ಕಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ, ಸಣ್ಣ ಕಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಪ್ಪಣ್ಣ ಭಟ್ರು ಮತ್ತು ಕುಪ್ಪಣ್ಣ ಭಟ್ರು. ತೀರ್ಥಹಳ್ಳಿ ಕಡೆಯ ಸೀಮೆ ಅಡಿಕೆ ಬೆಳೆಯುವಂತಹ ಜಮೀನಿನ ತೋಟಗಾರರ ಕಥೆ ಇದು. ಇಬ್ಬರು ತೋಟದ ಓನರ್ಗಳು, ಅಪ್ಪಣ್ಣ ಭಟ್ರು ಮತ್ತು ಕುಪ್ಪಣ್ಣ ಭಟ್ರು. ಇದು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಕೂಡ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಅನಂತ್ ನಾಗ್ ಅವರು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹೇಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರಿವೆಂಜ್, ಇದರಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಹೇಟ್ರೆಡ್ನೆಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ರಿವೆಂಜ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ನಡೀತಾ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಅನ್ಹೆಲ್ತಿ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಬ್ಬರ ನಡುವೆ. ಆದರೆ ಗುಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಇದೆ. ಅಪ್ಪಣ್ಣ ಭಟ್ಟರಿಗೆ ಒಂಥರ ನಾಜೂಕಿನ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಮಾಧಾನದಿಂದ ನಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋಂಥ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರ್ಯತಂತ್ರ ಇದ್ದರೂ ಸಮಾಧಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡೋರು. ಆದರೆ ಕೋಪಿಷ್ಠರಾಗಿರುವಂಥ ಕುಪ್ಪಣ್ಣ ಭಟ್ಟರು ಕೋಪದಿಂದ ಇಡೀ ಊರಿನವ್ರನ್ನ ಎದುರಾಕ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ರೋಗಸ್ಥ ಮಗು ಮತ್ತು ಮನೆ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತ ಗಲೀಜು ವಾತಾವರಣ, ಹೆಂಡತಿ, ರೋಗಿಷ್ಠ ಹೆಂಡತಿ, ಈ ಥರದ್ದು ಏನೇನೋ ಅವರ ಕಷ್ಟ ಕಾರ್ಪಣ್ಯಗಳ ನಡುವೆ ಇವರು ಕಷ್ಟ ಏನೇನೋ ನಿಭಾಯಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಈ ಕಥೆಯೂ ಕೂಡ ತುಂಬ ದುರಂತವಾಗಿರುವಂಥ ಅಂತ್ಯವನ್ನು ಕಾಣ್ತದೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ ಇವರಿಬ್ಬರ ನಡುವಿನ ರೈವಲ್ರಿಯನ್ನು ಈ ಕತೆ ಕಟ್ಟಿಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆನಂತರ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕೃತಿ ಇದೆ, ಹ್ಯಾನ್ ಫೈರ್ ಅಂತ. ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಕತೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಬೋದು. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ನಡೀತಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಇದನ್ನು ಬರೆದಿರೋ ಎಸಾಕ್ ಬ್ಯಾಶ್ವಿಸ್ ಸಿಂಗರ್ ಬರೆದಿರೋದು. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಲೇಡಿ, ಶಿ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರೊಟಗನಿಸ್ಟ್. ಹ್ಯಾನ್ ಫೈರ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಹರ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಫೈರ್. ಬೆಂಕಿ ಅಂತ ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾತಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ, ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರನ್ನ ಕುಟುಕುವಂಥ ಮಾತಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ, ವಿಷಯುಕ್ತ ಮಾತುಗಳಿಂದ ಮಾತಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಈ ಹೆನ್ ಫೈರ್ ಅನ್ನೋಂಥ ಈ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಶಿ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಲೇಡಿ, ಶಿ ಈಸ್ ಅ ವುಮನ್. ಹರ್ ವೆನಮಸ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ, ಹರ್ ಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಹರ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ cause the problem in the family structure, and her saint like husband and her children run away from her. There is so more complex or crisis in this story. This also happens. The man and the woman with his venomous words. There's a similarity with the complaining quality of this story. And finally, a poison tree. You might have read this poem by William Blake in your high school days. There also, two friends, they share their contempt, or they share their wrath. If the speaker of this poem, when the speaker of this poem, he doesn't explain his wrath. Wrath means his contempt or his anger to his foe, his enemy. That enmity grows like a tree. It grows like a tree, and it gives apple. When his foe finds that apple, he eats that apple, he is killed. And that tree is nourished by, watering by fear, tears, smile, deceitful wiles. All these things were nourished, nourishing the poison tree to make that person to be killed under the tree by eating that poisonous apple. That rivalry, that wrath, that vengefulness is always harmful. That is the visionary thing here in this poem. The last line, two lines are very important in this poem. In the morning glad I see my foe outstretched beneath the tree. This is the last line of this poem. So, my dear friends, this is a short time I have taken in the last fourth session. You must understand or correlate this story with the gardener. And it is not about examination purpose, but when you consider this story, the gardener for examination, there will be 1 mark questions, 4 mark questions, or 6 mark questions. We have given you study materials, printed notes. In the foremost thing, first and foremost thing, you must read the textbook first. Line by line reading is important, that is must. And after that, you must read the study material that I have given by our college, that we the faculty members of this college have prepared that notes very carefully. And you must read that notes. Don't go with other notes or other guides. And if you find any difference of opinion with this story, you may contact me or you may call me about this topic. If you have any query, please do contact me. Maybe in the explanation I might have correlated Tammanna with Sangoji. Make it as a correction that Basavaya and Sangoji characters are same, like this. That is the one correction I have made in the explanation of this story. Please observe this correction in the first session and the second session. Okay, thank you for this kind listening from your side, and please prepare for the examination and please be prepared for any test or examination conducted by our college and the board. Thank you very much, and I wish you all the best for you people.